Finding what you want in Sage 50 can almost feel like guesswork, especially when you're dealing with multiple companies. Rentroll changes that with its powerful search tool and lookup function. To search for a record, I can just click on the icon in the navigation bar. This will open up a new tab so you don't need to lose your current place. If I type in something into the search bar such as Amy, Rentroll will return searches across multiple companies. Here you can see it's found 2 different Amy's from the 2 different Sage 50 companies within the same search. The one I want is for Miss Amy Saunders agreement record. When inside records, it's possible to click on related records and navigate directly to it. If the record has 3 dots next to it, you can click the 3 dots and it will take you to the record. Unit 1, Amiga Business Park, is a property I visit frequently, so I'm going to favourite this record. While inside the record and under Details tab, I will go to Record Info section. I will toggle from No to Favourite to add my record into my favourite list. Now if I go back to the search module and view the favourites list, you can now see the Amiga Business Park record has been added to the list. In the recent tabs you can see that the 2 last records I visited are present. If you found this video helpful in any way, please follow us on all of our social channels for more Rentroll tips and property related content. Thank you.